For this bonbon today, you will need Papuise milk chocolate from Cacaberry, W2 crema, rhubarb and saffron flavour drops, as well as pink and yellow cocoa butters. So as always, you want to have cleaned and polished your moulds, as well as tempering any cocoa butters you may be using. So to start, I'm swirling yellow cocoa butter into the mould before letting that set. And completely covering in the pink cocoa butter, making sure to evenly distribute the cocoa butter throughout the mould. So once you've cleaned the mould and let the cocoa butter set, it's time to temper your Papuise. This chocolate is a high fluidity chocolate, so I would recommend using it at the lower end of its temperature curve. So go ahead and fill your moulds with your tempered Papuise. Before tapping it out and cleaning your moulds. Once your shells have set, it's onto the filling. I'm using the amazing convenience product of W2 crema. All you need to do to this product is simply add your flavour drops, warm slightly, mix thoroughly and add to a piping bag, ready to fill your bonbons. I would advise not using a medium to high water based flavouring, as this will affect your finished ganache. You want to fill them to within 2 mils of the top, leaving a gap for capping. Once the fillings have set, you can go ahead and re-temper your Papuise from earlier, and then cap your bonbons. Once they have crystallised, you can go ahead and turn out your bonbons. And there you have some super quick and easy bonbons with a unique flavour profile.